Hello. Welcome back to my channel, you guys. I am TheBrownCanvas, and if you have been here before, welcome back. Hey girl, how you doing? And if this is your very first time, hello. Please be sure to go ahead and hit the subscribe button before you head out today. Got my sage going. I just kind of wanted to send some good energy to you guys, number one, and number two, I wanted to do a look that was fun and, you know, kind of bright, all while on a budget. So if you guys want to see how I was able to achieve this look, then definitely stay tuned. Let me know what you think in the comments down below, and please be sure to leave me some suggestions on looks that you guys would like to see from me in the future. But until then, I will see you guys in the next video. Stay blessed as always and take care of yourself.